Repo Skill Miner is a scalable and easy-to-use web application that can determine the knowledge in terms of low-level skills, such as the command of specific programming techniques or frameworks, held by individual developers in an open-source software project. For the purposes of the demo, we will scan this GitHub repo. This is a React project, but GitHub only indicates JavaScript as the programming language. The app flow begins with user entering the name of the GitHub organization to be analyzed in the search field. Next, the user selects the number of repositories he wants to include for scanning, or picks one from the drop-down list and clicks on Scan button. A table is populated containing the contributors of the selected repositories and the technologies they used. For the selected repository, we see there is only one contributor. The technologies extracted until now are the outcome of GitHub's API data processing. No NLP is yet applied. If the user wants to use Language Understanding Intelligence Service, he clicks on the checkbox and adjusts the slider accordingly. Higher number indicates that more code chunks will be sent to Lewis service. Maximum level 5 means all the code chunks included in the commits will be sent to Lewis. This time, the populated table actually contains React in the list, as a result of Lewis scan. Lewis model can detect the use of React and Angular, as well the use of 3 technologies from the .NET framework: Link, Entity Framework, and Asynchronous Programming. As a final step, the user can click on the name of a contributor to see more details. By doing so, the user is navigated to a detailed view with 2 graphs showing the technology's distribution and a detailed list of them. Although Repo Skill Miner is still a prototype, many new features are already scheduled. Considering that developers' skills also evolve over time, project managers face the challenging task of tracking the kind and extent of knowledge that exists within the development team, so as to efficiently map people to tasks. Quite often, a particular technology has been introduced into a project following rising trends, only to find out a few years later that few people in the team still hold the corresponding knowledge to maintain the corresponding parts in the code base. We plan to enhance the tool's functionality by providing an overview of technology evolution over time, the identification of technologies at risk because of lack of skilled personnel, as well as the cross-tabulation of employed technologies and people's skills.